In front of me is Motorola Edge 50 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access passwords and accounts. Then hit this gear next to Google. Tap on Google Password Manager, and to add a password, hit Add Password over here. Then input all of those informations. At the top, select any website or hit Select App and tap on the chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some notes. When you finished, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!